Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena for new people. We are watching Daily Crypto Plan. We are doing this live stream every day, Monday to Friday. And what we are trying to do here is to make a plan for the day. We are mostly day traders, so that's why we are planning in the beginning of the day. So we'll have some levels to watch and maybe to execute some setups. Morning Bova, morning Stefan, morning Kos. If you want, guys, you can retweet the tweet from Twitter, from X. I already posted the live stream. Well, let's start. Let's not lose the time. And let's start with Bitcoin on daily. I see a lot of people bullish again. I don't like that. I'll be honest, I don't like it. Yeah, this long reload zone is not valid anymore because we touched below, we broke the structure, so we should remove the long reload zone. But you can see here, if you look left, well, here at 59, maybe 60K. Well, let's just take a line and put it here, for example. Yeah? If you look left, you'll see a lot of support and resistance. It's exactly a support and resistance level. And I see a lot of people becoming bullish here. That's not a good sign. It's not a good sign to see people behaving like that, especially in a clear support and resistance level. What was support, now it's resistance. Pretty simple. We closed multiple days below, so clearly now we have a resistance here. Everyone is bullish. Well, so be it. It's not up to us. Stefan, tell me if everything is nice and clean on YouTube. If you can hear me, if the video is clear. So, what do we have? Besides the sentiment, besides the Twitter becoming bullish again. Well, we have the range. We close below. Could be a fake out, yeah. I consider this one a valid W here on daily. Well, not quite. You can see here we have some bullish signs. I'm trying to show you something here. Well, you can see low and lower low here, low and higher low here. We are trying to confirm a bullish divergence as we speak. But keep in mind, I'm looking at the daily chart. So the last candle here could close anywhere. High, testing this high, or lower. Yeah. So for the moment we have potential bullish divergence on RSI and only on RSI. Yeah. You can see OBV, nothing special. It's chill, just following the price action. We have some signs that the market is not so bearish, but becoming bullish here at the resistance, it's just a stupid thing to do. Okay. So that's the overview on daily. Indicators following mostly the price action. We are trying to reclaim and stay in the range here. But what I'm worrying about is this support and resistance level. Technically, seeing the Twitter so bullish, well, makes me think that it's just a dead cat bounce here. Now, you saw the thumbnail, reclaim or dead cat bounce. Well, I'm 55 on the dead cat bounce area. If we'll accept above 60 and we'll close back here and then we'll retest a clear W, okay. I'm okay with pushing higher. We load a lot of altcoins, so that's nice from our part. But let's get there. Okay, that's Bitcoin on daily. You can see similar levels on similar levels on total. Not a clear. Well, on lower time frame it's a clear W. On daily, it's there, but again, support and resistance level. Total 2, similar stuff. Total 3, exactly the same. So I don't know if we should become bullish here. Now let's go on Bitcoin, where we have the trades. I'm still expecting 52 to be touched, but maybe I'm wrong, who knows. 4 hour chart, let's see what we have. Well, on 4-hour chart, we are trying to confirm this W on this candle. You can see the last 4-hour candle is confirming the W. Could be a fake out? Well, could be. I'm betting on the fake out, but maybe I'm wrong. Anyway, it's too high for me to chase this one here. I need to wait for, even if we push higher, I need to wait for a retest somewhere in 56 kind of area here. If I'll see a retracement and I'll see something nice on lower time frame, I could go on a swing long. For the moment, I'm playing an SFU short, but on the scalping level. 4-hour chart, okay, let's see indicators. Following the price action, you can see here, similar on OBV. Ethereum on 4-hour chart looks the same, confirming a W here, but equal lows here. I don't like that. Let's wait and see what will happen, but you can see here, a lot of liquidity here now. Who knows? Bitcoin dominance. Well, I don't like what I see on Bitcoin dominance. I'm seeing Bitcoin dominance pushing higher. And I was thinking about aiming out and pushing lower. Well, it's still in the range. Not too much is happening from yesterday. You can see just playing around in this range. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, well, is losing this level. If we lose this level, then we have a problem. Could push a lot lower. Nah, I think Ethereum versus Bitcoin is better on daily. We'll have a clearer overview. Yeah. If we aim out here, we'll confirm a big M, and this M has the target here in this area. Maybe fake out here, maybe even a long reload zone, touching the megaphone trend line. I don't know. But if we confirm this M, it's not so bullish. And people are still selling Ethereum. Buy the rumor, sell the news. I don't know. I'm playing setups. I'm just a stupid trader. But I don't see anything special here. DXY playing around. Yeah. You know, DXY wants to stay and test this level these days. Okay, good enough. A stable it is, the better for us. We talked about Bitcoin on daily. Let's take a look at weekly. Let's see how the last candle is forming. Well, we confirmed the McDonald's pattern. So chart told us that we should go back on McDonald's. We broke down, we closed a lot lower, and we are bouncing. It's still a dead cat bounce. For me, it's just on weekly. It's just a retest of this big M. That's it. Yeah. We had a 3-bar fractal top here. We confirmed it. We broke down. We tested the trend line. We are bouncing. It's normal to bounce from this level. Retest of the neckline, and then I don't know. I think we can push lower. Maybe we can go sideways for a period. Who knows? Nice to see that we are bouncing at least this week. I still think 52 it's a kind of a support, and then 45 is the strong one. Let's see what will happen on weekly. This candle is open. It's Wednesday actually, and we still have a lot of time until that candle will close. Yeah, dominance to the moon. Well, yeah, Ken, it's still in this range. Look at weekly chart on Bitcoin dominance. Let's look at that. And you can see we are in a clear range and possible top. For the moment. Things could change. Okay, let's take a look at lower time frames and let's see what we have on, for example, I'm trading ASFU here. And you can see I took this one. I kind of sense that maybe we can retest that level, and I put the stop loss a bit higher, 59,500 round number. I'm still in the trade. You can see the market is at the POC. Doesn't look too great for the moment, but I could see the market filling this gap here. You can see the gap in the profile. That will give me a nice win. That's a 5-minute chart. Let's go on 1 hour and see what we have. Well, on 1 hour, let me close the volume profile. We are SFUing this level. We bited a little bit from this candle. It's enough? Who knows? I'm trying, but we can push a bit higher to kind of touch 60k. Front run 60k will be a better level to trade. Why? Look at this candle, needs a retest. That's simple. But I'm trying an SFU, not too much risk, but it's there. For a long, you can see you have the long reload zone. Okay, Ethereum. Well, similar stuff here. You can see it took some liquidity, SFU even this level. We can push higher, and this is the next level for Ethereum to play a short SFU if you want. Now, this one. We are in the short reload zone, so NEM, it's good enough. Guys, hit the like button if you like the content, and if you really like the content, you can even repost the tweet from where we are sharing the link. If you don't like the content, well, hit the dislike. Why not? Jupiter. 1 hour, you can see not too many things. We are trying to W out. I'll go on 4-hour chart just to have a clearer overview. Above 61.8 looks like a range here. Consolidating this level, we can SFU the lows pretty easily. Same on Doge. We have some support and resistance. This is a resistance now. So even if I'm some kind of bullish on altcoins, you can see not a clear W yet. Don't touch this one, I said yesterday. Solana. Well, Solana is kind of strong. You can see an ugly range here, but it's stronger than the rest of the altcoins. We have a W forming here. In the short reload zone, honestly, I don't like this level. It's too dangerous for us to do anything. Yeah, okay, it's the big W. I need a clear breakout and a deep retest, and then I could think long. For a short, well, the location is good for a short, but I don't have anything else. Maybe if I'll go on 1 hour, we can find something. Well, there you go. You can see high, higher high, high, lower high on OBV. Some bearish divergence, even big one on RSI, similar on MACD. So give me a clear EM, and I'll definitely try a short there. Or I see a short forming. Back on, no, actually, because on Dimension we have a trade on 1 hour. Let's just see what we have. If you remember yesterday, we discussed in the New York session, was free for everyone. We discussed this bot setup, and I said, well, okay, let's take the aggressive one, the smaller one. AB equals CD, and you can see 1 low, 2 lows, 3 lows. Well, let me tell you what I did. I didn't took this one. I took something sharper. I took this one. When the market was here, I took the entry. Yeah, the retest here. That was my entry. And I have more than enough profit. I even closed some in this area here. If you'll go on lower time frames, I don't know, 15-minute chart, maybe even lower. I saw an EM on 5-minute chart or something. Yeah, you can see it. I didn't like what I saw here. I still have most of the position, but just not 100%. Well, I still have the stop loss at scratch, but if everything will go belly up, I'm still profitable. Okay, Dimension is playing already. Nothing you can do. It's just what we did yesterday. I posted this one. I mentioned it in the New York session. I don't know how many of you managed to take it, or if you want to take it. Alt, well. You can see what I see. Let's just delete this one. I journal it already. It's going sideways for the moment. Similar, we have some resistance here. But because it's a new altcoin, could do nice things. I don't want to trade it on a 4-hour chart for the moment. Yeah, it's forming something. We can even put the Holy Grail on 4-hour, 1-hour chart, and we have an uptrend here. But we need the uptrend to form. When you'll see that it's bullish again, you can hunt on 1 hour with Holy Grail. For the moment, I don't know if it's okay for us to take something other resistance and with a wide EM. This is a wide EM on 4-hour chart. It's not a small one. No? Look here, this was a small W, sorry, a W. Here it was a small W. This is a big one. I don't like it. Everything is bouncing with Bitcoin. People could remember that I said about e-gold that is strong. Well, it's strong, was strong here, bounced nice, but look at this one. I don't think you want to chase now. Everyone is bullish. I like it, but look at the trade. And probably we had some bearish divergence already. Yeah, we had some. Look at MACD. So I don't want to be the guy who's buying the last. Yeah, we bought 28, we bought 30, we even managed to, some of you managed to trade with Holy Grail. But now you can see we have an M on 1 hour. BNB stable, no. This one, if we'll let it in 4-hour chart, I think a swing trade could form here, but still too early. Yeah, W, the other side of the trend line. For the moment, look left, it's at the resistance. You don't want to buy this level. You want to wait for a W the other side of the trend line. Well, that's my overview. It's what I see in the market, guys. If you manage to be a sharpshooter and take the trade lower, okay, move your stop to scratch and hope for the best. IEVO, well, I bought here. Now it's at the resistance. I'm not touching something like this. Yeah, I could see a bot setup. I could see it forming here. Why not? 1 hour chart, let's see. Let's see if we can have a bot setup here. Bot 1, 33%, you can see. So it's below 33, above 66. That's nice. Let's clone this one and find the levels. Okay, I take this one. Let's put the second one. Well, you can see it's at the neckline. 1 low, 2 lows. It's kind of ugly on 4-hour chart. I need to go on 1 hour. Well, on 1 hour you can see it better. Now, we didn't touch 50%. That's good. We SFU this level at that time. 1 low, 2 lows, 3 lows. Yeah. So if you want to take IEVO for a swing trade, there you go. Now, that's a trade. 3 to 1. 3 to 1 is not bad. Trust me. What is more than 2, it's nice and clean. Morning, Abdullah. I don't know if it's really morning for you. Yeah, you can see here a bot setup. You take it or you don't take it, it's totally up to you. I framed it and I'll take it. Joe, let me go back on 4-hour chart. Guys, sorry that I'm switching the time frames, but that's my way of trading. I'm looking at the higher time frame to see the overview, to see potential setups, and when I'm seeing something interesting, I'm lowering the time frame to pinpoint the entry. That's my way of trading. So I know it's not easy to follow, but it's what I'm doing. Well, Manta, you can see we can push a bit higher here, but this is a resistance level. We don't have the risk reward anymore. So we had the W breakout retest and up. We can push higher a little bit. Yeah, we can. We can push here, but that doesn't give us a good risk reward anymore. So no, Ton just playing around. Looks like wants to form a top. Was bullish. Had the chance to go even higher in this environment. When Bitcoin bounced, this one could bounce even stronger, but I have the impression that Ton is like Solana. If their meme coins will pump, Ton will pump. If not, Pixel. Well, still working away, but similar thing. You don't have the risk reward here. This one will stop probably here at the first resistance level. That was my target initially. You can see it. Yeah? Why I put my take profit here? Well, because Wyckoff check. That's why. Not. Well, at least I'm not upset anymore. Stopped here. I had the impression that I missed a really nice trade, something like this, with lower time frame with Holy Grail. But you can see stopped here, SFU in this level. It's pretty strong, but no, it's not attractive anymore for me. Okay, that's the short list. Maybe I should change a little bit. Well, yesterday we talked about this potential setup. Market was at here, at this level, and said, well, I'll take this trade. I'm still in. Nothing I can do, and nothing I will do, because that's my my setup. I'll play it. Looks nice. I'm almost at scratch with the stop loss. If I'll move the stop loss here, I'm almost at scratch. But I'm not betting to get a scratch trade. I'm trying to enter the market to make a winning one. So I'll trail and I'll close 50% at 5 to 1 and trail the rest. Yeah? Okay. So you want to chase this one? Well, when the Holy Grail will give you a new entry, you can enter. Not bad. You can see it's starting to form an uptrend. Maybe you can get even a better risk to reward, because you can see my entry is here and stop loss was pretty wide. So you can get a better one. Tao. Well, Tao reached my 5R and stopped. Well, nothing I can do here. My stop loss is here. Yeah, that's why I keep my stop loss, especially when I'm trailing, I keep my stop loss a bit lower. You can see, if you put your stop loss there, stop you out and then up again. So sometimes works to keep it a bit lower. I closed 50% already. I'm trailing. Why I should be too aggressive? No. Okay. Now it's back at 5. Nothing I can do here. If you want to take a new setup, well, Holy Grail will give you a signal to when to enter. It's that simple. Well, Bond was moving really nice. Everyone was bearish on it because Binance will delist it. I'm not saying that it's the best one to play around. I played around here in this area. I have a long. Everything, let's take a look at the strong ones. Well, let's see. Well, some of them they are pumping and they are looking really strong. Some of them they are too aggressive even for Holy Grail, like these ones. So maybe we should wait a little bit. Let's see what we have on the news side, guys. Let's see what we have. Powell will speak in the New York session again. Tomorrow we'll have CPI, jobless claim, some news tomorrow. But today we have to watch Powell, because if we'll say something stupid, like shut the fucking door or something similar, the market could react. Yeah. But in the rest, not too many news. You can see second impact for today. Powell is on strong impact, and that's it. So pretty safe. Tomorrow, different story. With CPI before the New York session, tomorrow probably we can play the London, make some money, get out, and stay on the sidelines in the New York session. So on the news side, safe today, watch out tomorrow. Anything else on the Holy Grail? Well, if you want to play, like I said, you can play 1 hour and 4 hour chart. Why? Because it's just starting to form something. Yeah, look at SAT. You can see it's starting to form an uptrend. It's not too late to swing trade with Holy Grail, and it's not a bad strategy either. You need a lot of patience, but you want to make money or to have to be right, or to have feelings, or to have emotions here. If you want to make money, you'll follow the Holy Grail on higher time frame, like 1 hour for example, and play the setups. The risk reward is really nice in this kind of situation. I even made like I said before, I made a short video about that. Okay, that being said, let's keep the live stream short. If you have requests, guys, please type in the chat. I'll gladly answer you. But I see Stefanio, Punk, Shogun, Robert, but I don't see any request. Ken said about the dominance. Yeah, dominance is still in a range, Ken. And even if we'll stay like that, it's not a big deal. Now, what we have on Twitter? Well, Twitter is kind of becoming bullish here, and I don't like that. I see only long setups, and they are already trying to talk about meme coins and revive meme coins. You think it's a good idea to revive meme coins now? What do you think? I think not. They'll bounce, but they'll make more harm to the chart than good. Just my 2 cents. What I know, I'm just a stupid trader. Okay. No requests, nothing more than that. Let's call it a live stream. I'll go on day trade with Stefan on VIP. If you want to join us, you have to wait until next month for VIP. We're accepting 5 days from now on. So from the first day until the 5th day, every month we'll accept people in the VIP. If you want to participate in the premium, okay, join us. DM me first, because I want to see if you are for premium or not. We decided that we'll do only 2 sessions of Capua 1. So we did one in the beginning of the year. We'll do one in the second part of the year, but that's it. The best time to take Capua 1 was last term. The second best time is this term. You'll have to wait until next year if you are not decided, or you are still waiting. It's totally up to you. Two sessions every year, it's easier for me and Stefan. Yeah? Stefan growed nicely, and it's more profitable for him to day trade now than to do anything else. Yeah, that was the case for me, but I said, okay, let's teach some people. I'm proud of some of the students. Some of them, they are not consistent, but that's life. Nothing we can do about that. Yeah, if you are consistent, you'll succeed. If you are not consistent, you'll not succeed. Doesn't matter what you are trying to do in your life. So, nothing special in crypto. If you are serious and consistent, we can teach you how to trade. So, it's not about the teacher. It's about the student. If student is serious, we have everything to make you profitable. Okay, let's not blabber away too much. Let's call it a live stream. See you guys tomorrow morning, in the worst case. Tomorrow morning with another live stream. Bye bye.